Awesome, guys. So a big warm welcome to the inside of my iPhone. I'm going to be doing most of the course on this iPhone, demonstrating all the stuff that I'm going to be teaching you, all the strategies to grow your account to 10,000 engaged followers on Instagram. So a big welcome. And in this exact lecture, I'm going to be going through how to set up your Instagram account. If you already have an Instagram account, feel free to skip on to the next lecture where I'll show you some more cool things. But for now, for those of you who don't have an account, you guys can stay around and let's jump into it. So the first thing you can notice is I already have Instagram installed on the homepage. It's the one on the right. It's the white camera icon on the purple, pinky, yellowy background. It says Instagram underneath. If you don't have it installed already, simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store, depending on what device you have. Search Instagram and download that to your device. Once it's installed, simply click it to open it, and you'll see a similar screen to this. So it's going to prompt you to log in or sign up. I'm going to go ahead and click the sign up with phone or email. Now it's going to say put in your phone number. I'm going to prefer to sign up with email right now, so I click on the email tab. And I'm going to enter an email that I haven't used already. Obviously, I already have an Instagram account. This is just being created for demonstrative purposes. I'm just going to push next now. Okay, so name and password. The one thing I want to point out with this lecture is throughout this whole course and throughout the entire next module, we're going to come through and make sure that your Instagram account is optimized and it is appealing to your target audience in the right way. So right now, don't worry about your name. You can put in whatever password you want. Don't worry about your photos. Don't worry about adding friends. Don't worry about all that. We'll go through that and do that together. But right now, we're just trying to create a shell of an account or the skeleton of our account so that we can flesh it all out in the upcoming lectures. So full name, I'm just going to put my full name. If it's a business, obviously put your business full name. Actually, I might do that too. So I'm going to use Turtle Pizza as a pretend pizzeria that I have. And just put in my password and push next. Now, this is where it's going to prompt you to create a username. You can see they've suggested one already. Once again, we'll get back into this and I'll show you how to have the most optimized username. If you wanted to refresh and see what other suggestions they have, you can push that little curly arrow on the right and it'll suggest other things for you. I sort of like that one that they suggested just then, turtle.pizza, and click next. You can see the little green tick means that name's not already taken. If you get a red error while trying to get a name, it means that someone else is already using that name and you'll have to find a variant. We'll go over that in the upcoming lectures once again. Find Facebook friends. I'm going to click skip down the bottom. It's going to pull my contacts on my phone to see if I want to follow any of my friends. Right now I don't. We're going to start following people in the next lecture. So I'm just going to click clear and then next. Add a profile picture once again. We'll do that later. We don't need to discover people through there. So I'm going to click done. And there you go. Congratulations. You have set up your first Instagram account. And I'm just going to come down to the bottom right and click on that little display photo that's grayed out on the far bottom right. And this is the face of our business or your personal account. You can see Turtle Pizza is written at the top. The name is Turtle Pizza. There's nothing else here though. So it's a blank shell. There's no followers, no following, no photos, no display photo. Nothing is here. So our job now is to optimize this and flesh it out to make sure that we have the best account possible so that when we start targeting and connecting with our target audience and the millions of people on Instagram, they're going to see what our business is about, potentially like us, follow us, and then go ahead and click on our call to actions to buy our products. So without further ado, let's jump over to the first Instagram mission that I'm going to give you guys in the next lecture.